Good morning, everybody. My name is Jeff White here at World Class Guarantee RV. I'm here to show you this Arctic Fox 355Z. It's a 2018. We just got this in a little while ago. First thing you notice is the lights on the front of it. Really lighted up and down the sides there. The nice Arctic Fox fiberglass cap that comes with it. These are LED lights, by the way. And the second thing you notice is it has a nice MORryde shock absorbing fifth wheel hitch. Those are not normally placed on a lot of your units. Arctic Fox goes above and beyond. In fact, you can zoom over to that one there, just a regular fifth wheel hitch. So Arctic Fox really steps up. These help the ride a lot better. Not such a bouncy ride. Underneath here, you also notice they have the diamond plate, stainless steel diamond plate. Nice storage area underneath there for your generator and batteries. One thing Arctic Fox does also is they allow you to pull this out and work on the battery if you need to. Instead of reaching back in here trying to do your thing. So very, very nice, very handy if you can get the work right to go back, which will adjust that so it does. See, I got it now. Get 2 new batteries from us when you buy from us. Very, very nice. Propane tanks, you get both of them filled when you buy from us. And look at this storage area, massive. Now remember, this has a 6-point auto leveling system, and there's your controls right there. You get older like I do, you want to just push buttons and it automatically levels. All your winterizing, gray, black tank water, outside shower, everything right there. Battery disconnectors right there. All one central spot, easy to operate, easy to get to. Water heater. Nice big window right here in the bedroom. This has got a master bedroom slide. More lights out here. Huge slide, back of the refrigerator. I mean, this is a big slide, folks. This is short cord. This is what I want to show you here. It's on a reel. Just push a button and it retracts or unwinds. How much easier does it get than that? That is simple. 50 amp, by the way. On the back side, you have a ladder and a big back window. Be careful going down there, it's kind of slippery. Let's go around this way, you guys. I just love the colors of Arctic Fox. The gray cap, the white colors, the decals, just absolutely beautiful. You can see this, the auto leveling system right there. Over here on the passenger side, we have both propane tanks. The valve set up, empty one tank, automatically switch over to the other. I would recommend not be draining from both, because all of a sudden then you're out. I'd empty one and just switch over to the other one. Here's the other side of the storage area. I mean, that's massive. How many totes can you put in there, do you think, Jim? 20?
Depends on the size.
There you go. Perfect answer. I love it. A lot of people have a lot of totes underneath there because they spend time in them. A great big electric awning. LED lights out here. Marine grade speakers. 110 plug-in, ready to go. Put a TV out here. Have a blender going underneath the awning. Very nice. Instead of having to run a cord through the door. Just some extra storage area. If the underbelly storage isn't enough, this gives you access to other things. Okay, here's the other slide. So they're opposing slides, which gives you a lot of room inside there. And then we have the back with the ladder back there. So let's go on inside and check things out. Now, one cool thing to remember, Arctic Fox is 4-season ready. Not extended season, not variable seasons. It's made by Northwood. It is designed for Eastern Oregon. It's made in La Grande for Oregon. One thing I like is that big grab rail right there. Very easy to get in. The first thing I notice when I walk in is the big back window. And by the way, there's that ladder I was trying to show you, but it was a little too slick out there to get back there and show you. That ladder is rated for about 250 pounds. Nice reclining chairs. They swivel. I don't want to sit in one because then you'll never get me out of it. But Arctic Fox makes unbelievable real cherry wood. Narrow reed glass. The valances are beautiful. They match everything in here perfect with the carpet. The cabinetry. Got a fantastic fan right there. More lights. Big air conditioning unit. They got an area over here where you can set down your drink, your book. Storage underneath here. You just have to really come take a look at this. This is incredible. That window does slide if you want. One thing I'm going to do is shut this door. It's quiet. Remember how loud it was outside? I was kind of like yelling with all the traffic going by on Highway 99. Super quiet. If I just shut up, it'd be really quiet. Okay, over here you have nice relaxing chairs. That doesn't make into a bed though. You could sleep on it to make into a bed. Very, very nice fabric. Electric buttons to operate the chairs. Stand back and look at all this dental shelf, crown molding. The detail in this is just immaculate. You won't find this in any other fifth wheel that's in this price range. It's just unbelievable. I just stand in here and if you want to come take a look at it, I'll get it all lit up for you so you can see it. When it's lit up, it's absolutely breathtaking. Skylight up there above the sink. That's really, really cool. It's got a slide cover over it. If you want to blacken it a little bit, you can. Nice lights up here covering the sink area. And look at all the counter space. Just if you just stand back and take it all in, I mean, where can you get more counter space? Big TV. Look at all the doors, drawers, fireplace. Now remember, this is all real wood, cherry wood. Over here you got what you need in Oregon, place to hang your raincoats. Everybody always needs this place to hang their raincoats because we live in Oregon. More storage up here. Some people tell me this is a perfect place to put your alcohol. I hate to argue with them about that because they might be right. Big ceiling fan. Now some people really like the refrigerator and freezer to be stainless. Some other people really like it to match their cabinetry. Nice and huge refrigerator and freezer. I mean, look at the produce sections down there, the shelves on the side. You can put 2 weeks worth of supplies in here, unless you eat like I do, maybe a week and a half. It's made by Norcold. It is all set up, ready to go. Even got a little ice thing in there, ice cube trays. Okay, but I like the fact it matches the wood. Some people don't. A little extra they put into it. Nice big countertop. One big stainless steel sink and one little one. Get all your soapy water over here, clean things there, or vice versa. A nice copper faucet with a spray hose on it, and rinse out that sink really well when you're all done. Over here we have a nice big convection. Let me get out of the way here, Jim. Nice big convection microwave, huge. Now you can cook hams in there, small turkeys in there, because it's convection, and it'll cook it really quick. 3-burner cooktop, an oven, just about standard size oven, huge drawer bank, copper drawer pulls or knobs, real wood, 4-drawer bank, garbage can right here. This is one thing that I really like. So you're sitting here doing you're cutting up your fruit and vegetables and stuff like that, produce, and you just throw it right down there. You don't have to dribble it on the ground to get it in the garbage can. That was very smart of them. I do all my own cooking at home, so it makes it really nice. Huge storage underneath the sink. One thing Arctic Fox does is they give you tons of storage space. Another 4-drawer bank, more storage. Let's go on up here. First, notice how big the stair landing is. Absolutely super wide. People can run down. Nobody gets claustrophobia. Nice and big. Nice obscure glass door. Come in here and look at this. I mean, you just have to be here and see this. It's absolutely spectacular. Nice big doors here, glass doors that slide, and here is what you're not going to believe. Cedar line master closet area. There's the extra chairs I was talking about. Comes with a vacuum cleaner, and over here on the other side, I don't know if we can get out of the way and you can see, it has a washer and dryer hookup inside there. So the washer dryer goes right here, all set up ready to go. Nice big bed, padded headboard, place for your glasses and books, reading lamps, just breathtaking. A little storage area right here. Not sure what you put in there. I'm sure you ladies would figure that out, no problem at all. Big window in the bedroom, another skylight. And I couldn't show you on the other one, but see how light it is in here? You want to take an afternoon nap, which I'm good at? Just close that bad boy off. It gets dark. We can be snoozing away in no time. We'll put a TV here for you if you like. Some people like them, some people don't. A lot of times we order them without. Place for your movies. Huge 6-drawer storage area. I don't know where the guys are going to put their stuff, but this is probably for the ladies right here. Once again, real cherry wood. Fantastic fan in here. We got a bathroom that's got tons and tons of room in here. The shower, another fantastic fan. Look how much room's around that stool. Perfect for a big guy like me. A vanity, a sink, another vanity. We got a mirror. Looks like it plugs in. You can check out all what you need to in that mirror. But a huge shower. And I think, let's find out. Figure out the combination to get this door open. I want to see if there's plenty of room for, we get a lot of people that are tall. I'm about 5'11". Plenty of room for a 6'5", 6'4" guy to stand here and take a shower. The shower area is reinforced. I'm 300 pounds. It's not given at all on me. And nice shower head, spray hose and everything. What is this bad boy? Oh, it swings out too. Huh. Well, we don't need to look at ourselves in that. Okay, let's go back outside, you guys. We love that big wide stairway right there. Now remember, we're going to go outside, so listen for the noise. This is going to be huge if we get some cars to come by anyway. That grab rail is just absolutely phenomenal. Take a peek at those rims too. Those are absolutely not just your standard cheap rims. Those are absolutely beautiful. Get them washed up and they just glow. Okay folks, my name's Jeff White at Guarantee RV. If you'd like to take a look at this, you have more questions, please give me a call at 541-671-1840. Shoot me a text, email me at jeff.white@guarantee.com. I'd love to show you this. I'd love to light it up for you. You can see it in real time. And if you can't remember Jeff White, everybody knows Bam Bam and Pebbles. My nickname's Bam Bam here. So once you've viewed this, give me a call, send me an email. I'd love to show it to you. I appreciate you taking time to watch my video. Have a really good day from Jeff White, World Class Guarantee RV. Thanks.